Hi everyone, I'm Beck and I'm part of the product development team at Just. We were really excited to see Anderson .Paak recently use Just Egg to make a stacked breakfast burger. And since we're such huge fans, we decided to create our own twist of his delicious breakfast. So we're gonna make it completely plant-based with a few healthy tweaks. We have a whole grain English muffin, we've got some fresh veggies with tomato and mushrooms, and then instead of cheese or mayo, we're gonna use avocado today for some extra creamy richness. So let's get started. So first up, you wanna heat a skillet on a medium heat, add about a tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna make our breakfast sandwich. So the key to Anderson .Paak's burger was that he used shiitake mushrooms and green onions. So the shiitake mushrooms are gonna give it this delicious umami flavor, and then we have a pop of flavor with the green onions. So I have about 2 tablespoons of green onions, pop them into my pan, and then about a 1/4 cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms. So after about 4 to 5 minutes in the pan, we're gonna add our Just Egg and finish up our scramble. So I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup, and then you're gonna move it around just like you would a regular chicken egg. So after about 1.5 minutes, our scramble's done, and I'm gonna transfer it to a bowl. Next, we're gonna be cooking up our plant-based burger. So I'm using a sausage patty from The Meatless Farm. They have a fantastic range of plant-based foods. You can check them out in Whole Foods. So I have a skillet on a medium heat and about a teaspoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna pop in my patty. So I'm gonna cook this for about 5 minutes in my pan, flipping it occasionally. Lastly, I'm gonna pan fry my English muffin. So again, a little bit of olive oil in a skillet on a medium heat, and then I'm gonna put the crust side down, rub it a little bit in the olive oil to get it nice and brown. You're gonna leave that for a couple of minutes. When the underside is brown and toasty, flip it over and cook your top side. So now it's time to build our sandwich. So we're gonna start off with some fresh avocado, and you're gonna mash it lightly on both sides, then sprinkle it with a bit of salt and pepper. Next, you're gonna put your patty onto your sandwich, then add your Just Egg scramble with shiitake mushrooms and green onions. Layer on some fresh tomato slices, and finish it off with some pickles or some relish. Oh yeah, look at that stacked breakfast burger. So there you have it, our finished stuffed breakfast sandwich inspired by Anderson .Paak. If you love this recipe, you can find more like it on our website.